Alright guys, the last day of the Sylvain trip. We're heading home. This is my view from the room, and it's about 7:40. We're gonna leave about 8 o'clock, so let's do it. As the sun peeked over the mountain to start the new day, the road to home seemed so far away. But at times I had to remind myself, life is a journey and not a destination. With each journey we grow and learn more about ourselves. This experience allowed us to be in the moment and feel the spirit of life. Learning each day would be a new journey, just as long as we let go of yesterday. We write our own chapters in life that eventually will become our own story. These stories would become our history and live inside us forever. So as I rode the last stretch to home, I realized the roads we once traveled with our families as children, they will always look the same, feel the same, and even smell the same. The road will never change. It's the adventure we take on these roads that changes us.